Hi, hello, welcome back my YouTube fellow friends. Today I have one more unboxing. So as you guys know, in my channel I do a lot of DIYs on my KTM RC200. I just ordered a turn signal light modification which looks very cool. Okay, let me unbox it. Okay. I just ordered from the Amazon. Yeah, what quite reasonable price I got it. In a lot of R15 people put these turn signals on the fairing, so I just wanted to have this cool light on my fairing. So this is the light, LED light, turn signal light. So I'll leave the link in the description so that you guys can purchase it if you like. And I will show you guys how to modify your fairing, because in KTM RC200 doesn't come with the hole so that I can mount this. So I have to drill a hole inside my fairing and then have to do a lot of connections. So I will walk you around with the instruction how to do it if you are watching this video. So we'll move on to the bike now. So hi guys, we are back into my garage. I'm thinking to fix this turn indicator over here in this spot. So first of all, I have to remove this fairing, drill an hole over here, have to mark it and drill a hole over here. Then have to do wiring. After that, have to fix it back, fix my fairing back. This is on the other side also. Just I'll show you the right side part, and you can do it on the left hand side also. First, have to remove these bolts. Okay. Let us start with the removing of bolts. But now I just removed the fairing, so I'll be placing the turn indicator hole in this position. So I have to make a drill hole. I have to see where I have to wire up. Okay, I will show you how to drill a hole and place it over here. So same way I have to do it on the left hand side also. So yeah, today now I will show you how to drill a hole, because I don't have a drilling machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a soldering machine to melt the plastic and make a hole. First, what I'm doing is I'm just replace the plastic brace here, and I will mark where the hole I want. And after that, I'm gonna use the soldering machine and I'm gonna beat up and make a round. After that, whatever the exide plastic gonna come, I'm gonna trim out with the blade. Okay, now I have done one hole. So let me show you. So this is a hole I have done, and it is placed very nicely. So first I have marked the hole and have drilled the hole using soldering gun, because that's the best way to do right now. I can put the inside. Now I have got these two connectors. So this male connector will be going to the indicator, and this connection will go to the bike, so that whenever they are removing the frame, we can disconnect easily. This is how it looks after soldering a male plug point. So we'll move on to the bike and I'm gonna fix this. This is how looks the final product. The back side have a male connector here. So I have removed this bolt over here. Okay, this is gonna lock it. So I have loosened the bolts so that I can remove this. Now after that I have to
remove this screw so that I'll get this this box out so that I can reroute the wire under this. Okay, so I have rerouted the wire over here. This is the one, and then I have taken below the belly, and the wire comes over here. I have used the heat sleeves to join two wires and the main connection. So I have connected one of the indicators. Negative is a black wire. I have connected it to the black and yellow wire, and the red one is a positive, which is the green here. And another wire is the negative is as usual black and yellow lined wire, and the red is a positive. I have connected to the gray wire over here, and I have made the connection like this. There is no wire cutting, there is no damage for the hardware, so no need to worry about the warranty. Let's check out the first left hand side, and yes, that's how it looks. It looks, yeah, great, super. And the left indicator, it's also blinking. The back side, yes, it's blinking. So let us see the right hand side. Yes, it is also blinking. And here, yes, that looks superb.